What's the best way to optimize your benefits when consuming exogenous ketones? So the first thing, obviously, as a practitioner, as a doctor, I want all of my patients to make those necessary lifestyle changes. When you make the lifestyle changes, that will of course optimize the benefits that you're experiencing with those exogenous ketones. So changing your diet, even if not a ketogenic diet, then moving towards a lower carbohydrate diet. I find that intermittent fasting is a really great way to enhance the benefits of the exogenous ketones. We have so much research when it comes to fasting, and we now know that some of those benefits of fasting are possibly due to the production or the creation of ketone bodies while we're fasting. So in order to optimize or enhance the benefits, I pair it with the fasting. So we're really increasing the body's level or your blood level of ketone bodies. So I find that that's a really great way to enhance the benefits. I also often encourage taking supplements. We know that exogenous ketones or the ketogenic diet can act as a bit of a diuretic, so we lose some of those minerals. So I always want to replenish those minerals that we might lose, especially magnesium. Most people are magnesium deficient, so to avoid any things like headaches or constipation, changes in digestion, we really want to make sure we get that magnesium back in, we get those electrolytes back, those B vitamins, and I find that all of those things together are really helpful in supporting that transition into a keto lifestyle or if you're using exogenous ketones.